Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is maintaining itself right on this channel support. Let me show you right here. So this is the channel here. This is a very weak channel, but it's still there. And we have the second channel, second very tight channel, and tight channels don't last a long time. Ergo, what is happening today? We are falling back. We are falling back on this lower channel support. Look at how perfectly we went and touched this. So theoretically, this steeper upward channel is now over. And now we are resting on this one here. So let's hope that we are going to rest on this and then break the purple downward resistance and the two horizontal resistance so that the stock can be free once and for all to maybe come back to 1782. So we closed up 10 cents, 0.73%, closed at 1383, post-market down by 3 cents. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, I like to see this. So this is the first hour of the day right here. So there is another support line that we have been looking at 1380. So we closed above 1380 on the first hour. Second hour was a nice green candle, so maybe the stock was going to do something, but stochastic was not there. So when stochastic is not there and you see a little bit of a move up, the move up should not last because it needs stochastic to last. So third hour came below 1380, and this is where we bounce on the channel, on the slower channel. So we touched it. So that's not a bounce, that's just I touch it. To have a bounce, you need to have a candle that's higher than the last candle. So we bounced and closed higher. So that's a nice bounce. And that bounce took us right back to 1380. And then we crossed 1380 barely. And then on the last hour, there is a better cross here. And stochastic is recovering a little bit. Stochastic still at 38. So that's not super great, but at least it's coming back up. If you want to play that very tightly, you need to do something like this and see if we are going to break that resistance with stochastic over 60 to really show that we are coming back to 1418. This is not there yet, but maybe this is going to happen next week. We'll have to take a look next week. Let's go see on the daily chart the indicators. So stochastic at 87, still super great. MACD great, RSI great, and DMI great. The stock has everything it needs to break it, to break all the resistance I've been talking about. It just needs to do it. This is like a person that has a great idea but does not implement it. You need to implement what you have in mind. If not, what good is it to have that in mind besides telling other people that you have that in mind and feeling great ego because, you are so smart to have that in mind. So the stock just needs to do it. Maybe this is going to happen next week. Thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. We are going to talk on Monday for my non-members, and for my members from the second tier up, I'm going to do a live on Sunday where we are going to look at the weekly chart for Palantir and Tesla, and also look at the monthly chart because the end of the month was yesterday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.